Hello everyone, welcome to another quick bit video. In this video, I want to show you the Bruin validate function. So the validate function will check the pipeline configurations to make sure the environments are set up correctly, make sure that your assets and asset definitions are set up correctly, and it also checks the syntax of your queries as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at an example here. So I have a pipeline with 3 SQL assets, asset 1, 2, and 3. And if we were to go ahead and make a mistake, let's say in our syntax, and hit the validate from the Bruin panel, we can see that it gave us a warning. And we can also, let's go ahead and, for example, give it the wrong asset type. And when we hit validate, it will tell us that the asset type is invalid. And another good example of this is to check your dependencies. So for example, asset 4 does not exist. And if we were to go ahead and validate the entire pipeline from the dropdown, we can see that it will tell us that asset 4 didn't exist. And another way of actually running this is from the terminal too. So you can, as always, use the panel or the terminal. And let's check for circular dependencies. So asset 2 depends on 1 and 3 depends on 2. So if we were to give it, let's say, a circular dependency, so now asset 1 also relies on asset 3. So this is not allowed. And if we were to run the validate function, we can see that it detected the circular dependency. So this is a good way for you to check your pipelines before you deploy and make sure that they execute and their dependencies and syntax and everything is working fine. I hope you learned something new and see you next time. Thank you.